Horses out, breaking for the ladies. Chanson Dior moving a party out. So now Glamoroso in the middle. Pleasant Girl. Bumpy Road comes next. Because of You and Mapagkunwari. And going along for the first turn. Chanson Dior, Pleasant Girl in the middle. And on the outside, third, Glamoroso. 4 lengths, watching them. Bumpy Road, Mapagkunwari. And Because of You, Chanson Dior, Glamoroso. Fighting it out for the lead. A length back in third, Pleasant Girl. Bumpy Road is racing in fourth, Mapagkunwari. And Because of You, Glamoroso. By our neck, Chanson Dior is down on the inside. Pleasant Girl still in third. And here comes Bumpy Road now trying to get closer in fourth. Mapagkunwari and Because of You, Chanson Dior by our neck. Glamoroso is on the outside. Bumpy Road now racing in third, Pleasant Girl. But it's still entry number 1. That's Chanson Dior by about 3 lengths. Glamoroso, Bumpy Road now moving up on the outside to take second, Pleasant Girl. Chanson Dior by about 3 lengths. Moving up on the outside now is Bumpy Road. But it's still Chanson Dior. Bumpy Road is on the outside second. Chanson Dior over Bumpy Road. And finally, Chanson Dior. Bumpy Road, Glamoroso. Then comes Pleasant Girl.
Finally,